So,
I got my stomach tattooed today by none other than Ziggy. Honestly, what I was expecting, it wasn't as bad. This part was a bit spicy, I'd say, because you can feel your whole hip bone. Fucking disgusting. That was like a decent chunk until the shading. That was so much worse because I took a break. And then I'm not talking about that. It was not anywhere near as much as I was going into. Like,
yeah.
I thought it was going to be so much worse.
You
But
still signed up for it.
exactly. And
Yeah.
I'm ready to do the other side as well. I'm not cancelling that yet. But yeah, no, it's been pretty chill. Pretty sound one. I'd definitely say it's well, it looks cute. I like it a lot. That's all. I'm ready to get the next sod next week, not now.
So she's booked in next week for the other side, and then, as much as I did want to film this as a how to tattoo video, it was on ribs, on stomach, and then I don't know how she is in that area. She didn't know either, so we just didn't gamble. Now we know. Now we know how she feels. So even like now, when you remember, so one is we don't know how it's gonna be like, but then you can say, oh, I feel better on this side. I can feel like you can tell me now where I can film.
See, I have a feeling this. I think from all my tattoos, my left side is my more painful side.
Really?
Yeah, because we had to start on this side to avoid the tattoo I already had. So it was a bit of a.
In a sense, I could have aligned it.
Yeah, but it's alright.
Yeah.
It could just be. To be fair, my arms on this side have been sound. It's just been those two. But that could be a leg issue. Who knows?
Could be. So, needle-wise, we both decided to do 14 liner with the outer ones there. It's just to make them naturally chunkier. I don't know if you can actually see them being chunkier, but they are thicker than... Yeah, I think this and that, but that versus each other. I picked 7 for the petals just because there's loads of lines, hundreds of little lines, and if they're really close to each other, and if I pick a fat, bulky, chalky, something like that, lines, they're gonna blur, they're gonna join to, they will touch each other and then blur out, and it will become a big black blob. But 7's like, it's thick enough, but it looks still thin. And then to contrast that, we use 3 tight, which is really, well, LT, which is long taper or tight liners, and then they just like real small razor blades, and that gives that nice detaily crisp look. I use dynamic triple black for the whole thing, so it's 3 liners, 7, 14, and that actually I did use 11 to black out some sections there, 11 liner, and then I used 9 mags to shade that in, but that was like really painful. I didn't want to give too much paint for her, so I was like, fuck yeah, let's give it next time. It was actually really, really bad there. Then I thought, fuck yeah, I'm gonna go add some shading there, but then we just gonna...
That was worse.
Yeah, then we just gonna do it a different day. All this took about 5-ish hours. I didn't know how far we're gonna go today. She didn't know either. We just kind of went for it till we just can't be asked anymore. Because Lucy works here, we can always arrange appointments as long as we please, as we want. Yeah, and then we can sneak in before our clients. If I see availability and she does, we just book into each other, and then that's about it. What else I need to mention? Machine wise, I was using Acus M2, which I bought extra 5mm stroke, so that machine has 5mm stroke. You can see that's pretty tight. The red one, the blue is 7, yeah, that would be 14, 11 the white one, and then 9 is inside there, what I was using last. I literally just used black. That's all I've been using, 1 ink up all day. I did refill, but that's it. That's what's been used. And designing video is on school. If you ever want to see how I pretty much drew all that or planned it. And then stenciling video is... Huh?
You planned it.
You...
I planned it.
Yeah. She designed it, I finished it. And then all that thinking, planning and talking, it's on school. And then how we stenciled twice and re-stenciled, it will be also on school for the people who want to learn and who want to gain some skill. So it's going to be there. And then when we're going to do other side, if she feels alright, we might film some more videos of how to actually tattoo, more how-to videos are coming, because I didn't want to do that in the first time because it's just bad. Like, we don't know how bad it's gonna be till we know, but it's gonna be cool. And then maybe at some point we're gonna do some midsection there where it kind of links together.
Connects all of
Yeah, we can black out your belly and that.
Foower.
We could do like a sun, like in old times, like a sun stars around, a dolphin jumping around.
Ziggy, I quit.
A dolphin will do.
Go and do it.
Yeah.
Do a unicorn.
Yeah. In flames. So yeah, that's where we are, and then in the future you're gonna see more stuff. I'll see you in school.